Woodmont Baptist Church members and guests, greetings. I am Jerry Hickson, a husband, a father, grandfather, deacon, pediatrician, and a member of this congregation for 43 years this month. You know, we're facing the COVID pandemic now approaching 2 years. All of us have been affected, and many, as we know, in profound ways. And we are tired, we are fatigued, we're experiencing grief. But the Lord is with us, and as members of this family of faith, there are things each of us can do as we face the challenges of the pandemic together. I want to speak to you as a church member, but also as a pediatrician who has spent a career focused on safety. What can we do as individuals and as small group members as we face the Delta variant of COVID-19? And I'm sorry to share, but need to share that Delta is not likely to represent the last variant. But the sound principles and habits that we follow now will help us in responding to Delta, to Lambda, and whatever comes next. First, we should neither fear nor ignore. I have faith that the Lord will watch over each one of us, and that is exactly why I choose to act based on knowledge and scientific breakthroughs we have been given by God. God looked over Noah and his family, but they just didn't get to sit around and say, well, the Lord is going to look after us. They had to get to work and assemble the ark, and they had faith. Second, get vaccinated. Encourage your brothers and sisters in love to do the same thing. Get your children vaccinated as soon as they are eligible. Becky and I are vaccinated. Our children are vaccinated. Our eligible grandchildren are vaccinated. We are God's servants, and we get vaccinated so that we can stay healthy to worship and serve God, each other, and to protect the most vulnerable of our family. Third, please wear a mask. It really is okay. They do work. They are safe. Wash your hands. Maintain social distancing, and be kind. We have witnessed so much anger, prompted by fear and misinformation shared for whatever reasons. But as Christians, we are to be part of the solution by always responding in love. Our mission is to spread hope and healing to our neighbors. And when you hear or read something that just ain't right, you know it's inconsistent with information provided by our public health experts or your own medical professional. In love and short, simply share. I'm just not so sure that statement is correct. And within our church family, if you have questions about protecting your family, feel free to reach out to any of the members of our COVID advisory team. Now, as for small group sessions and worship, our goal should be to continue to meet in person as guided by science, local infection numbers, wisdom, and willingness to model love for others. Another incredibly important goal is to care for each other whenever there is need. The physical and emotional impact of the pandemic has been great and greater than what we understand in this moment. When you become aware of a need, share. We can pray, provide food, sit with those affected, and remember that it is in love modeled. That's how we distinguish ourselves from others. I look forward to being with you every Sunday, whether in person or virtually. It's a blessing to Becky and I. The Lord will give us wisdom and strength that we need to face these challenges before us, but we must be careful in the little things. Thank you for doing everything you can to manage this challenge that we're facing.